So, hello and good morning, everyone. I am very late now. I have to be in at Murthal at around 4:30, which is 30 minutes from now, and I'm still in Gurgaon. And today's ride is a bit hectic start, off to a hectic start. So I'll be riding to Rishikesh today. A long time coming. I've never been to Rishikesh actually. I've been to Uttarakhand, Lansdowne, and Jim Corbett, and also Dehradun and Mussoorie side. Not to Rishikesh yet. Been a while. I've been thinking of doing Rishikesh. I was planning to actually do solo, but turns out few of my riding buddies are also going on a trip with a different riding group. They are usually a Royal Enfield only group. Fortunately, they decided to let other brands as well. So, as you can see, I'm on a KTM 390 Adventure. So, yeah, looking forward to the ride. It's a very large group. I usually don't prefer large groups. It's around 30 riders if I'm not wrong, or more. But since it's 200 kilometers, it's fine. I prefer anything less than 20 is fine for me. I think I'll take the expressway today. I'm really late. I hope I don't get any challan or anything. So yeah, really excited. Now I'll continue. I'll concentrate on getting on time, being on time, and I'll get back to you as soon as I reach. Chalo, bye. So hello again. I'm just leaving UER2 and connecting to GT Karnal Road now. Okay, this is a slippery road. Let me be gentle on the throttle. I was actually riding quite fast because I felt I was a bit late. But then just near a toll, I just stopped to check everything was fine, and then I checked the location of my friend who's on the way from Delhi, and he's still far away. So now I've slowed down a bit because there are still few more guys that are also running late. So there's no point. You got to be careful on the highway. Something will be there on the road, so can't lose concentration. Yeah, so no point in going fast. Now I'm doing a relaxed speed. You must be thinking going to Rishikesh, but I'm on GT Karnal Road. Some of you might know there's another route goes from Panipat to Shamli, and after that we join the highway towards Haridwar and Rishikesh. This route I also felt is a bit better because the usual route through Meerut and other places is quite busy. This side, the Shamli highway, though I've not been, I've seen on videos, it seems to be a decent stretch of road with less traffic, so that would be interesting to see how it is. It's 4:30 in the morning, so I'm not able, my brain is not fully active yet. Got a fuel up as well. Unfortunately, the petrol bunk right next to my house was closed. It was supposed to be 24 hours petrol pump, but it was closed for some reason. So I better fill up before reaching the destination because I don't want to be a hassle to others. It's always when you're going on group rides, it's better to. Okay, I can see few petrol pumps here. I'll better fill up here. There's no one. Should I go for HP or Indian Oil? I think I'll go for HP. बस छोड़ो. थैंक यू। So hello everyone, a quick update. I've reached the meetup point, which is Gulshan Dhaba. That's all the bikes, all Royal Enfields. As of now, I'm the only KTM guy. हाँ बिल्कुल, टाइम सही टाइम पे निकला मैं, क्योंकि नॉर्मली बड़ा ग्रुप होता ना, मैं सोचा थोड़ा और लेट होगा, बट अच्छा है। ये ग्रुप का फर्स्ट मुझे अच्छा इंप्रेशन आ गया, क्योंकि सारे लोग पंचुअल है। हाँ। So a quick update, we are just left Panipat and going towards Shamli. This is a new highway. This is not a usual route towards Rishikesh. So that's our group, about 30 riders, 28 bikes if I'm not wrong. So there's very less traffic, so a lot of fun, enjoying the ride so far, and really liking this group also. They're all riding nicely. They're very disciplined, I feel. राइड में मौसम अच्छा हो जाए ना, मज़ा आ जाता है। हाँ, मैं लद्दाख का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ मार्च में, आई मीन मई में, देखते हैं क्या है। नहीं वो काफ़िला के साथ जाऊँगा, सोलो नहीं। मैं लद्दाख नहीं, कहीं और तो चलेगा, लद्दाख तो मैं पहली बार जा रहा हूँ ना, तो बेटर होगा ग्रुप के साथ। अगर मैंने 1-2 बार किया है तो ठीक है, हाँ सेफ रहता है, थोड़ा पीस ऑफ माइंड होता है। बाकी तो ज़्यादातर रॉयल एनफील्ड के ग्रुप्स हैं, तो मैं काफ़िला के साथ राइड कर चुका हूँ, तो सोचा हूँ कि इन्हीं के साथ चल जाएगा। DPR का भी मैंने देखा, अच्छा है इनका, बट वही, हाँ मैं देखता हूँ। लद्दाख ना मेरा बहुत सालों से मन है, करना है करके। I've completed around 180 kilometers from home, and around 80 kilometers or close to 100 kilometers, 80 kilometers if I'm not wrong, from the starting point. So we are on Shamli Road, that's the group, and the ride up until now has been very nice. It's a very pleasant weather, thanks to some rain in the night. Hopefully the weather continues until we reach Rishikesh. This is a very nice road, Shamli Road, and I can see few hills now. It's my first time in Haridwar, feels nice. So another 30 kilometers for Rishikesh, so we're almost there. The weather has been absolutely amazing. It's been cloudy like this from the start. In fact, it was very chilly in the morning, and it's April, which is surprising. This is one of the best April rides I've ever done. The weather is really amazing. And oh, that's a BMW F900 GS. Nice views. Exactly when the scenery becomes better, my camera is low on battery. Wow, what a view. What a view. With this weather, it's really amazing view. क्या व्यू है ना, और ये वेदर, और इसमें बहुत मज़ा, अच्छा लग रहा है। मैंने अभी ऑन रखा है कैमरा, चल रहा है मेरा, रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है। हाँ, मैंने थोड़ा व्लॉग भी थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया। ये क्या रूट है, बहुत बढ़िया है। हाँ, राफ्टिंग कर रहे हैं क्या उधर आगे? वाह। हाँ, so look at this view. What a weather, what a view. Really enjoying this right now. Ooh, nice. ड्राई बेड है। ओह नाइस, ओह नाइस, बढ़िया, रिकॉर्ड कर दिया मैंने। ओके, ओ इसमें सेकेंड ले ली मैंने। हाँ, गड्ढा था, उछाल के छोड़ा पीछे से। पानी ज़्यादा उछाल लिया मैंने। नाइस ना? That first one, no, I saw you first. I got it recorded. I'll send it to you. It looked really nice.
First ever.
Yeah,
Such a good experience.
yeah. This is a good learning experience. Yeah.
और ये मजा आया।
कनेक्ट हो गया? चलो। नाइस, रियर स्लाइड किया मैंने। नाइस, आराम से, कम ऑन, यू कैन डू इट। बढ़िया। इधर लूस है। हाँ, मैंने ओवरटेक के लिए। हाँ, इसी का मज़ा है। शूटिंग चल रही है इधर। कौन सी पिक्चर की शूटिंग है भाई? पूरा वाइट स्क्रीन वगैरह लगा के, या पीवी एडवर्टाइजमेंट का कुछ है? अरे ट्रैम्पोलिन वगैरह लाए हैं। ओवरटेक कर लूँ या आई थिंक इधर सच में बहुत मज़ा आ गया राइड. So we had a wonderful day. It's around 2 o'clock now. We went to our temple. The road was a bit tricky, a nice off-road stretch. Had a lot of fun and few water crossings as well. So now we're heading to our hotel, which is just 550 meters ahead. So yeah, we'll just rest there and see what's the plan for the evening. Bye for now. So hello, and this is Sunday, day 2, and we are leaving for Delhi. So this is our group, and we are off. It's around 1:30 in the afternoon. It's quite sunny today. Should be reaching Delhi by evening. It's been a fun trip. Nice group, this one. Delhi Piston Riders, if I'm not wrong, DPR. So yeah, I'll give you some more updates as I am running home, on my way home. So been stuck in a big jam for the last 15-20 minutes. And as you can see on the map over here, it's red all over for the next few kilometers at least. अरे यार मत घुस इसमें. घुसा लिया फॉर्च्यूनर को भी. ओ धूल मिट्टी. वाइजा क्लोज्ड. इधर तो जगह ही नहीं है. या यही है रीज़न. लॉन्ग वीकेंड जैसे हो गया, सब लोग निकल गए होंगे. क्या सनसेट हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो कैमरा जस्टिस कर पाएगा. कैमरा में तो जस्टिस नहीं आएगा क्योंकि वो छोटा कर देता है ना, सन और मून को बहुत छोटा कर देता है. क्या खूबसूरत लग रहा है सनसेट. 360 में ये ज़्यादातर कैमरास में वो फिश आई लेंस टाइप होता है ना, उनमें यही होता है. जो फार अवे ऑब्जेक्ट्स है ना उसको छोटा कर देता है. मैं भी उतना टेक्निकल तो नहीं जानता, बट मैंने नोटिस किया है. ये कोई लोग होते हैं जिनको वो पता है, वो पेरिस्कोप लेंस ये वो वगैरह फलाना डिमखाना क्या बोलते हैं. इधर दिल्ली आके काफ़ी चीज़ सीख रहा हूँ मैं, वर्ड्स. So around evening we reached Mursal. Unfortunately my mic ran out of battery, so I thought I'll do a quick voiceover to finish this video. And we stopped at Mursal for a few hours. We were just chilling and talking, so we took our time and we said our goodbyes and then rode towards our home. For me Gurgaon and for many Delhi and so on. So yeah, it was a really fun ride and met some nice people. Looking forward to the next adventure, and bye for now.